Alright, so today I want to bring you some cool smart camera. In this case, this one is 360 degrees rotation, 90-degree tilt, support up to 128 gigabytes, perfect for outdoor, in IP67, so no problem with rain and snow. And it has a two-way audio. I'm going to show those things and the configuration right now. So how we doing, everyone? My name is Dario. This is mediaboxentlab.com. All right, so today I show you how to configure this camera. Let's look some of the details, what we get in, and right now. All right, so I took everything out of the box so we can see. So we have the cameras here, a power supply, even to mount the hardware, and for the Ashore 45, but this one is Wi-Fi. So we need to use it. If you want, you can use it, but we're gonna go Wi-Fi. In that case, we need to download Tuya, and that is compatible for your either iPhones or your Androids. Okay, so you need to download that. Follow the instruction for that, and normally you scan it right there, and you also can start Tuya Smart and download right on your phone. If you're looking up the camera, okay, you're going to be mounted this way, and this one is Wi-Fi, right? Power, you will apply power here. You don't need to use Ashore 45. I will cover it up because it's going to be an outdoor. You're going to use that. And the camera now allows me to rotate, right, and up and down. And right here, by the way, is where we're going to put the micro SD card. You can put up to 128 gigabytes. And right there in the side is a little button to reset. That's just to get, if you mount this in another network, you can reset it and start from the day you bought it, right, from the manufacturer. Close that one is ready. It's a great camera. We can see the LED. We have a photo cell right there, huh? So that's to activate the auto vision. If you want, you can control those through the app, right? And the length, and even a microphone. And right in the back, we can see also we do have a speaker. What we're going to do now, set up this for the first time. All right, so let's move to the configuration. I already applied power into it. All right, and let's plug it in, and I want to show you the reboot process. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset the camera first. So I'm gonna click here, and this is a little button there. I'm gonna hold it into here. There is a resetting. Okay. A flash. Welcome. And you got the first welcome. Let's go for it now. Okay. So let's wait. Okay, the camera is all right, and you wait there. So we're gonna do now, so the camera reset, and you get the welcome thing. So we add that there. So let's look for cameras. Okay, video cameras. Let's look the one that says Wi-Fi, a smart Wi-Fi camera. We click right there. Okay, there is no light into it, but it tells you there is a light. You gotta set your 2.4 gigahertz. Remember, this camera only works on 2.4, and the password of your network. We click next. That's it. Okay, pay attention to that. I hear the prompt. Well, we wait. Super easy to install, you'll see. All right, at that point, you can just change your name if you want. We click done. All right, so we are on the main screen and load up. And if you see that we have a perfect, nice, high resolution there. Now I can go and move the camera. All right, move it down. Okay. We can take pictures and record on the camera, and it has an HD mode. All right, so we can go full motion here, and we can bring the camera down. Okay, if you see here, so we can bring it down, or change that to the camera, and I can zoom in, and actually we have a detection right there. All right, so once again, and I can just go here. All right, but let's go into the configuration here. So we got playback settings. So in settings, information on the camera. Okay, tap to and automation, but we're not gonna click any. We're gonna do there. Private mode, basic functions and settings. All right, we can put a watermark, and we can activate a two-way talk. Okay, so I can hear and also send message to the camera as well too. Pretty simple, right? And we can detect how we want the alarm, motion detection alarm. All right, human, and it detects as a human or non-human body, right? If it's a bear, you want to make sure that maybe do not get activated when a bear pass by, just only human, right? But we can do all those things here. Storage settings. All right, we're gonna add the storage here. We have a local recording, right? And we can set the schedule how you want to record as well too. But it gets a real nice configuration of the camera here. All right, and offline notification in case the camera becomes offline, you get a notification. You can share the device, right? And you can create all these in a different configuration of the camera. You can activate the camera in the automatic night vision, right? We can do that as well too. And when it's dark, the lights will come out. You see it was blinking, and when we did that, we have a multi-view. That's if you're gonna set a few cameras. So in reality, you know, in auto mode, see here we have a color mode. Right now it's a lot of light here, but when it gets dark, the light will come out. So if you have a little bit of light, whatever the camera is pointed, maybe you can do color mode. You know, if it's too dark, and really what I will do, I will leave it, you know, in automatic. And the other one is, if not, will be infrared, so will be in the black and white. So that's another thing. So you have some light, put the camera in auto, or set it color, and then you have the full color. If not, if you think it's too dark, then you just leave it infrared. It will be black and white, but it's perfect. That's it. A lot of cameras they do infrared. So if you see, the camera is super simple to install. At this point, maybe the only thing we want to do is install a new memory card, 120 gigabyte. That's how much it supports that. And then it record like a loop format, maybe, you know, 1 minute video. When it detects, it records. When the motion pass, then the camera stays standby. Somebody passes, bang, again, records another minute, and it keeps going that way. When the memory is full, we'll go and delete the first video was recorded maybe 6 months ago. That's the idea. And you can go back and always review those videos. A nice resolution and super easy to install. All right, so I really have you see the camera was super easy to install. Now, to get one of these cameras to protect your business home, right? I need to get one of these. Well, it will be pretty simple. I will leave the link right below this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.